Roof. Roof is defined as the uppermost part of the building provided as a structural covering to protect the building from weather. The structural elements may be uh, stresses, the portals, the beams, slabs, shells, or the domes, and the roof coverings may be AC sheets, GI sheets, wooden uh, shingles, tiles or slates, etc. So what are the main objective of these roofs? To study the terms used in roof and floors, to study the types of roofs and floors, to gain the knowledge on wide uses of types of roof and floors based on economy as well as requirement. A requirement of good roofs. Many times they'll ask in VTU exams what are the write the requirement of good roof. So you have to write it should be durable against adverse effects, it should be withstand the load, it should be perfect insulator, it should be a well drained, it should have better waterproofing arrangements. So these are the good requirements of roof. Next one is classification of roofs. Roofs are classified into following three categories: flat roofs or terrace roofs, pitched or sloping roof, curved roofs. Pitched roofs and sloping roofs are very important examination point of view. Many times they'll ask draw a neat sketch and explain the sloping roofs or pitched roofs. The first one is sloped roof or pitched roof. A roof with sloping surface is known as pitched or sloped roof. These roofs suitable for building in a coastal regions or in the area where the rainfall are very heavy. So where the rainfall is heavy and the coastal region, coastal area, generally we are going for this pitched or sloped roof, so that the water is drained away very easily from the top of the building or house. Building with limited width and simple shape can be generally be covered satisfactorily by pitched roof. The slope varies according to the span, climatic conditions and nature of covering materials. So next one is elements of pitched roofs. What are the elements we'll discuss. In that type of pitched roof, first one is single roof. The single roof consists of only common rafter which are secured at the ridge or the ridge beam and wall plate. These are used when span is less, so that no intermediate supports is required for the rafters. The lean-to roof, very important examination point of view. They'll ask many times these questions. Explain with neat sketch the lean-to roof. So this is very important. This is the simplest type of sloping roofing in which the rafter slope to one side only. It is known as the pant roof or the access roof. In this type of one wall is carried up sufficiently higher than the other. You can see in the sketch, one is higher and one is lower end. A wooden wall plate is supported either on a steel crobble or a stone crobble, which may be of stone, brick or steel. A lean-to roof is generally used for sheets out houses attached to main buildings, verandas, etc. So main building to veranda or the one building to another building attached, generally we are going for this lean-to roof. It is suitable for minimum span of 2.4 meter. So 2.4 meter maximum span we can provide. We are going for this lean-to roof. The second one is couple roof. You can see in the sketch. This type of roof is formed by the couple of rafters which slopes to both the sides of the ridge of the roof. The upper ends of each pair of rafter is nailed to a common ridge pieces, and their lower ends are notched and nailed to the wooden wall plates embedded in the masonry on the top of the outer walls. Such a roof is not very much favored because it has the tendency to spread out the feet and the thrust on the walls supporting the wall plates. Due to this, the couple of roof is used when the span is limited to 3.6 meter. That is one of the drawback of this roof. The third one is couple close roof. This is the roof is similar to the couple roof, except that the ends of the couple of common rafter is connected by the horizontal members called tie beam to prevent tie rafter from the spreading and thrust of the tie wall. The tie beam may be a wooden member or a steel rod. These are one tie beam for each pair of rafter. A couple close roof can be adopted economically up to a 5 meter span.